Hello everybody, thattechyguy here. Today we're going to be unboxing this new Baseus PicoGo AM31 charger. Baseus sent this to me a couple months ago and I've been using it pretty much daily ever since I got it. The form factor is really nice. It actually charges my iPhone 15 Pro Max all the way from empty to full on one charge, which makes me really happy. I also just like how thin it is. It doesn't feel as bulky as other MagSafe battery packs that I've used before. And getting the unboxing out of the way, we got some awesome stickers, we got some pamphlets, and here is the power bank. And I can tell you right now that the back of this feels so nice. Even if you are not using a case, it will not scratch the back of your phone. I am a big fan of braided cables and I love the fact that they included one. And I also love the fact that it's short, because you can actually just charge normally via USB-C with this power bank, which helps you get even more juice out of it because you won't be losing any energy to heat through the wireless charging. But because the cable is so short, it doesn't take up much room in your pocket if you were to use it that way. Me personally, if I'm trying to get a full day out of this battery bank, I like using the USB-C port to charge because you're not losing any energy to heat. But if I were to try to use it as a stand, well, the USB-C port is on the bottom where your phone would be standing on. So you could not use the stand functionality if you're charging it that way. I also really like the metal back to it because it does help dissipate heat. I feel like way better than previous versions I've tried. They sent me out one of their older battery banks last year, and that one got so hot in the pocket because it was all plastic that it was hard to use. But this one, because it's metal on the back, it helps dissipate heat and helps keep your phone cooler while you're charging wirelessly. I wanted to thank Baseus for sending this out to me. They didn't have to do that, and I really appreciate that from them. Please go check out their products, linked down below in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe for more content like this, and I'll catch you all on the next one.